introduction. Hello and welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world's most impactful marketing campaigns and the stories behind them. If you're passionate about digital marketing, social good, or just love seeing how creativity can change lives, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most heartwarming and successful social media movements ever, the Make-A-Wish Foundation's Hush Share Your Ears campaign. This campaign didn't just raise millions for children with critical illnesses, it united people around the globe, harnessed the power of user-generated content, and set a new standard for cause-driven marketing. By the end of this video, you'll know how the campaign worked, why it went viral, the tools and strategies behind it, and what you can learn for your own projects. If you enjoy deep dive case studies like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. The story. Why Hush Share Your Ears? Let's start with some background. The Make-A-Wish Foundation is a global non-profit dedicated to granting wishes for children with life-threatening medical conditions. Since its inception in 1980, Make-A-Wish has granted over 285,000 wishes, bringing hope and joy to families in their toughest times. Disney, a longtime supporter of Make-A-Wish, wanted to celebrate two major milestones: Disneyland's 60th anniversary and the 100,000th wish granted by the foundation. To mark the occasion, they launched the Hush Share Your Ears campaign, a social media movement designed to raise both awareness and funds for Make-A-Wish. The campaign. How did Hush Share Your Ears work? The concept was brilliantly simple and inclusive. Step 1. Anyone could participate by posting a photo of themselves wearing Mickey Mouse ears, or any creative ears, on social media. Step 2. Participants use the hashtag #HushShareYourEars in their posts. Step 3. For every public post with a hashtag, Disney pledged to donate $5 to Make-A-Wish, up to a set amount, initially $1 million. Step 4. Due to overwhelming participation, Disney doubled their donation to $2 million, and later, in subsequent years, raised it to $3 million. There were no purchases, no sign-ups, and no barriers to entry. Just a fun, feel-good action that anyone could take part in. Why did Hush Share Your Ears go viral? Let's break down the key factors that made this campaign a global sensation. 1. Effortless participation. People don't want complicated steps. Disney made it as simple as snapping a photo and posting it with a hashtag. The easier it is to join, the more people will participate. 2. Emotional connection. The campaign's goal, to grant wishes for critically ill children, was clear, compelling, and deeply emotional. It resonated with Disney fans and anyone who wanted to make a difference. 3. Iconic symbolism. Mickey Mouse ears are instantly recognizable and beloved worldwide. They tap into nostalgia and the magic of Disney, making the campaign personal for millions. 4. User-generated content. Every post became a mini-campaign, spreading the message organically. The more people saw their friends and celebrities sharing their ears, the more they wanted to join in. 5. Celebrity and influencer amplification. Disney leveraged its vast network of celebrities, influencers, and even theme parks to promote the campaign. For example, Neil Patrick Harris participated during a Disney TV special, further boosting reach. Example: a day in the life of Hush Share Your Ears. Imagine a family at home, excited to support a good cause. The kids make Mickey ears out of construction paper, the parents snap a photo, and they post it on Instagram with Hush Share Your Ears. Their friends see it, join in, and soon, their whole community is participating. At the same time, celebrities like Neil Patrick Harris and Disney park visitors are posting their own creative takes, from classic Mickey hats to elaborate DIY ears. Every post equals a $5 donation from Disney, and the campaign snowballs into a global movement. Results: the impact in numbers. The Hush Share Your Ears campaign wasn't just popular, it was record-breaking. Here's a summary of its measurable impact. Metric result. Total social media posts 1.77 million plus. Initial donation pledge $1 million. Final donation $2 3 million, varied by year. Social media reach increased 330%. Engagement increase 554%. Facebook audience growth 15%. Instagram audience growth 13%. Wishes granted during campaign 130,000 plus. Media impressions 54 million plus. Source: Make-A-Wish, Disney, and Campaign Analytics. Social media strategy. What made it work? 1. Multi-platform presence. Disney and Make-A-Wish didn't just rely on one channel. The campaign was everywhere: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even offline at Disney parks and events. 2. Real-time engagement. The teams engaged with participants, reshared posts, and kept the momentum going with reminders and live updates. 3. Storytelling. Every wish granted, every child's story, and every creative ear photo was shared, turning statistics into real, human stories. 4. Community involvement. The campaign was open to all ages, backgrounds, and locations. It wasn't just about Disney fans, it was about anyone who wanted to help. Tools and resources used. If you're inspired to run a campaign like Hush Share Your Ears, here are some of the essential tools and resources that made it possible. Sprout Social, for consolidating analytics, tracking hashtags, and reporting on engagement and reach. Native Platform Analytics, Instagram Insights, Facebook Analytics, and Twitter Analytics for real-time data. Content creation tools, Canva and Adobe Creative Suite for campaign graphics and templates. Social listening tools, Brand Watch or Mention to monitor sentiment and track campaign mentions. Hashtag tracking, custom dashboards for counting and verifying Hush Share Your Ears posts. Influencer and celebrity partnerships, coordination with talent agencies and PR for maximum reach. Lessons learned, what marketers can take away. 1. Make participation effortless. The success of Hush Share Your Ears proves that the simpler the action, the more likely people are to join. Remove barriers and make your call to action crystal clear. 2. Harness the power of symbols. Choose symbols or actions that are instantly recognizable and emotionally resonant. Mickey ears were the perfect choice for Disney. 3. Leverage user-generated content. Encourage your audience to create and share. UGC not only amplifies your message, but also builds a sense of community and ownership. 4. Amplify with influencers and celebrities. A campaign's reach can skyrocket when public figures get involved. Disney's use of celebrities and park events added credibility and excitement. 5. Track, measure, and share results. Use robust analytics tools to measure your campaign's impact. And don't be shy about sharing your successes with your community and stakeholders. Chart, social media growth during Hush Share Your Ears. Platform audience growth, %. Engagement increase, %. Reach increase, %. Facebook 15, 554, 330. Instagram 13, 554, 330. Twitter not specified, not specified, not specified. The legacy. Why Hush Share Your Ears still matters. The Hush Share Your Ears campaign wasn't just a one-time event. It set a new gold standard for how brands and non-profits can collaborate for social good. Disney and Make-A-Wish brought the campaign back in later years, each time raising more money and granting more wishes. It also showed that when brands put people and purpose at the center of their campaigns, the results can be extraordinary, not just in dollars raised, but in lives changed and communities united. Resources for further learning. If you want to learn more or run your own cause-driven campaign, check out these resources. Sprout Social Blog, guides on social media analytics and campaign management. Make-A-Wish Foundation website, updates on ongoing campaigns and wish stories. Disney Corporate Social Responsibility reports, case studies on collaboration and impact. HubSpot and Hootsuite blogs, tips for running viral hashtag campaigns. Brand Watch, for advanced social listening and sentiment analysis. Ending. So, what can we learn from Make-A-Wish and Disney's Hush Share Your Ears campaign? That creativity, simplicity, and heart can move millions. When you invite your community to join a cause, make it easy, make it meaningful, and celebrate every contribution. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and let us know which campaign you'd like us to explore next. And don't forget, subscribe now to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our weekly marketing case studies and social impact stories. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep sharing, keep creating, and keep believing in the power of good.